factor of 385. So 385, it can be written as 5 times 77. 5 times 77 means 385. 77, it can be written as 7 times 11. 7 times 11 means 77. So now we select a prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 5, 7 and 11. So we can write 385 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 5 times 7 times this 11. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.